Alright guys, welcome back to it. We are going to be installing the axles today. So we have the driver's side axle and the passenger side axle. Pretty simple, should be pretty easy. Got to unbolt a couple things, starting with the lug nuts. Probably going to start off with the driver's side and then move to the passenger side. So we're going to start off by first just loosening the lug nuts and then jacking up the car, taking off the wheel, and looking at these brakes and rotors right now, like we're in need of a change, but it's all good. Stay tuned, I got you guys on that. So now we're going to hit this castle nut right here. Take this off, that way we can loosen these two bolts right here for the fork for the suspension, as well as put the driver's side axle in. Let me see if I can show you guys. So right here we have the half shaft. Right here we got the half shaft, and we're going to be installing this driver's side axle right now. Driver's side axles in, we got the nut on. Probably gonna put the wheel on, lower it down, that way it's on the floor and we can tighten it down and then punch in the slot where it's supposed to go. So driver's side axle's on, success. Got the bolt tightened down. We just gotta punch it with the screwdriver so that it locks in its locking mechanism. But other than that, driver's side's on. So we're gonna move on to the passenger side now, get that done, and then call it a day. Both axles are on, driver's side, passenger side, tightened down. I just got to hit them in with a flathead to make an indentation. But other than that, installs in, they sit good, they're in, they're tightened down. With that being said, the sun is going down, so I'm gonna give it a wrap for today at least, and get back to you guys, so stay tuned.